Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see how to find the square root of the given number by division method with few examples. Question given is, find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. The first number given is 729. Okay, solution. So, given number is 729. Step 1. Place a bar over every pair of digits starting from the ones digit. So, the given number is 729. I am going to place the bar for every pair of digits starting from ones. So, 9 is the ones digit and 2 is the next number. So, I placed a bar over 29. Then, I have placed a bar over 7. We know that even if a number is a single number, you have to place a bar over it. Then, next step, find the largest number whose square is less than or equal to the number under the leftmost bar. Here the number under the leftmost bar is 7. Then we want to find the number, okay, so whose square is less than or equal to this number. Take this number as the divisor and the number under the leftmost bar as the dividend and divide and get the remainder. Okay, so now I have written here 729. Okay, so now I have taken this leftmost number 7. So now the 7, the square number which is less than 7 is 2 square, that's 4. And the number which is greater than, if you check, it will become 9. So now I am taking the number which is less than 7. So that is 4. So 2 square is 4. So 2 into 2. So I am writing 4 and then I am subtracting this. Okay. So if you subtract, you will get the remainder as 3. In the next step, bring down the number under the next bar. So the number under the next bar is 29. I am bringing this 29 here. So now the new number will become 329. This is the dividend. Okay, so next step, double the quotient and enter it with a blank on the right. So here the quotient is 2. So I have doubled the quotient, that is 2. Okay, so and I have written it with a blank here. I have doubled the quotient. So 2, it will become 4 and I have written it with a blank here. The next step, guess the largest possible digit to fill the blank, which also becomes the new digit in the quotient, such that when the new digit is multiplied to the new quotient, the product is less than or equal to the dividend. So in this case, so if you go with here 41 times 1. So like that you have to try. So if I have tried and I get the number 47 and the new quotient I have tried it as 7. So 47 into 7, that is 329. So I have written 329 here and I have subtracted to get the remainder. So here is the remainder is 0. So there is no bar left here in the given question. So we can say that square root of 729 as 27. The next number given is 1296. So first step, we know that we have to place bars over the every pair of numbers. So here given number is 1296. So I am placing bar starting from the ones digit. So 6 and 9 I have placed a bar. Then next 2 and 1 I have placed a bar. So now next step, second step, I am writing like this and I have to find the number whose square is less than this 12. That is the leftmost number, that's the dividend. So now 3 square, that's 9, which is less than 12. And if you go for next number, it will be 4 square, it will be 16. So it's greater than 12. We cannot take 4. So we have to take only 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. Now I am subtracting. So 12 minus 9 is 3. So this is 3 is the remainder in this case. Okay, next step, I am going to bring down the next number under the bar, that is 96. So the new number will be 396. Okay, so next step, I am doubling this quotient. Quotient here is 3. So I am doubling the quotient, so I will get 6 and I am writing with a dash here. Okay, so next step, I am going to guess the next number for to be written in that dash. Okay, so I am going to start with 1, 2, 3 like that. I have to put the new number as the quotient and I have to multiply it. So 61 into 1, so I will not get. So 62 into 2, I will not get. So I have tried like this and I got the number 66 into 6, which is 396. So I have written here 396 and I have subtracted to get the remainder. Here the remainder is 0. And also there is no bar here in the given question. So we can conclude that square root of 1296 is 36. The next number given is 2304. So now first step we know that you have to make a pair and you have to place a bar over that pair. So I have paired from the one digit. So 4 and 0 is one pair, I have placed a bar. Then 3 and 2 is one pair, I have placed a bar here. Next I am going to consider the leftmost number, that is 23. So now I have to find a number whose square is less than or equal to 23. So if you go for 4 square, it will be 16. And if you check with 5 square, it will be 25. So we have to take only the 4 square, that's 16. So I have written 16 here and I have subtracted. So 23 minus 16 is 7. So this is the remainder in this case. So next step, I am going to take the next number under the bar towards down. So 04 to here, and the new number, that is the new dividend, is 704. The next step, I am writing this with the doubling this quotient, that is 4 doubled, I will get 8. So and I have marked the dash, okay, and I have written like this. The next step, I want to guess the number which fits that dash. I have started from 1. 81 times 1. That is, here I have tried 1 and I have to multiply 81 with 1. It is 81. 81 with 2, 3. Likewise, I have checked and I got the number 88 into 8. That is 704. Okay, so I have written 704. So the new quotient is 8. So if I subtract, I will get the remainder as 0. So if you look here, there is no bar here. So I can stop my work here and I can say that square root of 2304 is 48. The next number given is 4489. So we know the first step, we have to place the bar over the numbers by pairing the digits starting from ones place. So I have paired 9 and 8, so I have placed a bar. Then I have paired 4 and 4, I have placed the bar. The next step, I have considered the leftmost digit, that is 44. So now I am going to find the number that shoots for 44. So 6 square if you take, you'll get 36, so which is less than 44. And if you take suppose 7 square, you'll get 49, so it's greater than 44. So you cannot take that number. So I am taking 6 square, that's 36, and I am subtracting 44 minus 36, so I am getting 8. So 8 is the remainder in this case. Okay, so in the next step, I am taking and writing the next pair of numbers down. That's 89. I have written down and the new dividend is 889. In the next step, I am going to double this quotient. Here the quotient is 6. I have doubled the quotient. Now it will become 12 and I have written it with a dash. The next step, I want to guess a number for this dash. Okay, so now here it's 12. So I guessed a number 121 into 1, 122 into 2, like that I have guessed. And I have got a number 127 into 7, which is 889. So I have written it here. The new quotient is 7 and the dividend is 899. So if we subtracted, I got 0. And here also there is no numbers under the bar. So I can conclude that the square root of 4489 is 67. Hope you have understood how to find the square root of the given number by division method. Thank you for watching the video.